Close your eyes, let me tell you all the reasons why. Think you're one of a kind.
I tried to write you a letter that said how much I appreciate all the hard work you put into making this day as amazing and as magical as it's going to be. And then I tried to write you a letter that said even though our wedding will come and go in just a few hours, it will stay with us forever.
Thank God you're mine. You're an angel dressed in armor. You're the fear in every fight. You're my life and my safe harbor, where the sun sets every night. And if my love is blind,
Mike, I can't believe the day is finally here. It's been 6.5 amazing years, and today I can finally call you my husband. Today we start an amazing journey, and I'm so excited to see what's next for us.
'Cause you're made of strength and mercy, and my soul is yours to save. I know this much is true. When my world was dark and blue, I know the only one who rescued me was you. Close your eyes, let me tell you all the reasons why. You're never gonna have to cry, because you're one of a kind.
Mike, today I give you my hand and my heart, not only as your wife, but as your best friend, your confidant, your shoulder to lean on, your voice of reason, your supporter, and always your #1 fan.
Rebecca Ann, I love you, and I want to thank you for being you, because who you are is exactly who I need. I vow to adore you relentlessly, encourage you always, and to invest all of my effort in an endless pursuit of loving you.
Every single beat in my heart is yours to keep. So close your eyes and let me tell you all the reasons why, baby. You're never gonna have to cry, baby, because you're one of a kind. Yeah, here's to you. You're the one that always pulls us through. You always do what you gotta do, babe, because you're one of a kind. You're the reason why I'm breathing with a little look my way. You're the reason that I'm feeling it's finally safe to stay.